Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make Roblox in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take earth. Then add wind to it. It will make dust. Then add earth to it. It will make planet. Then add fire to it. It will make sun. Then add fire to it. It will make solar. Then add planet to it. It will make system. Then add fire to it. It will make computer. Then add system to it. It will make software. Then add earth to it. It will make game. Then add computer to it. It will make gamer. Then take earth on other side. Then add water to it. It will make plant. Then add wind to it. It will make dandelion. Then take plant on other side. Then add plant to it. It will make tree. Then add tree to dandelion. It will make wish. Then add tree to it. It will make money. Then take dandelion on other side. Then add plant to it. It will make weed. Then add dandelion to it. It will make marijuana. Then add marijuana to money. It will make business. Then add business to it. It will make corporation. Then add corporation to gamer. It will make microtransaction. Then add game to it. It will make pay to win. Then take fire on other side. Then add water to it. It will make steam. Then add fire to it. It will make engine. Then take dust on other side. Then add dust to it. It will make sand. Then add sand to engine. It will make sandbox. Then add planet to sandbox. It will make Minecraft. Then add pay to win to Minecraft. It will make Roblox. Voila! And that's how you make Roblox in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.